Hi guys, this is Sachi here. You're watching MudJar, and today I am back with a new video. So this video I'm doing an unboxing of a very versatile plant, and one more thing which I've ordered from this Instagram page. I'll link it down below, so if you need, you can buy it from there. So I just opened the top part. I haven't yet seen the plant, so if you're a plant lover, you're surely going to love this, so please keep watching. So if you like such plant videos, please do hit that thumbs up button below, so it will encourage me to make such videos more and more. And please do subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon, so you always will get notifications whenever we post some new plant video. So let's get into this unboxing. So I've just opened. There's this small letter. So this is basically from the Sparsh brand, Touch of Nature. This says, "Dear Sachi, thanks for shopping with us. We hope you love your new green member and enjoy nurturing them. We wish the plant sent by us adds a touch of nature to your life, from Sudipto Devnath, a Sparsh, a touch of nature." Thank you so much for this amazing letter, Sudipto. Okay. So let me give you a clue. So this plant is not entirely a plant. It is like a raw potato, or it looks like a rock piece. So if you can guess, please comment down below before watching the entire video. And let me. This plant, I saw this in many of the YouTubers or Instagram plant pages, but recently I was watching Feline Jungle's video, and I really got inspired, and I thought to buy it, and suddenly it came on my Instagram feed. I was following this page since long. So are you ready? Because this is my first time I am watching this plant live. Okay. Oh gosh. So guys, this is Stephania erecta. So it has a leaf, small leaf. Okay, I am a bit more excited. So this actually looks like a raw potato. So this is the main part from where the roots and the leaves come out. It doesn't have seemingly visible roots, very minor ones. I cannot show it to you on the camera. Very, very, very minor, like tiniest part of the hair. But it got delivered to me as it was shown to me on the picture, that it has a sprout of the leaf, and there's, if you can see, there's one more small leaf coming out from here. So it is amazing. It is kind of a slow growing one, and I'll make an updated video for this, how to care for this plant and how do we go after this, like what to do. There's no soil, and like what to do basically with this plant. So if you love this amazing looking and weird looking, versatile looking, whatever you may call, plant, please do hit like this video and comment down below if you like this plant, or if you want to buy such plant, right? The leaf, if you can see, it's very tiny one. It is not matured. So the leaves of Stephania erecta is basically round and very fragile. So usually the stem and leaf, it is very, very fragile. I've seen it in pictures and videos. And yeah, I'll update you about the potting and everything about this soon. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Keep following MudJar on Instagram. Keep following MudJar on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell button. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.